What's up, y'all? I'm here because I received a package, and y'all know I'm getting ready for my birthday. It's almost close, so I'm getting ready for my birthday, and I received something in the mail. I ordered, of course, my hair, my outfit, my shoes, and like a couple little jewelry pieces or whatever. And that stuff is slowly coming in. I'ma just slowly unbox everything with y'all, and we gonna make it happen. Okay, so I ended up ordering hair from Sunber. And they had like a little coupon thingy that popped up. I was scrolling Instagram, and you know they be what's the word that I'm looking for, advertising their, you know, specials or whatever that they was having, and they was like $99 wig special. I said, ooh, I got $100. Let me see what I can get. So I'm gonna show y'all what y'all get for $100 off of Sunber hair. I ended up going with the reddish brown texture. It probably looks more brown on the camera.
Mommy, Poppy put a finger in my eye.
Tell Poppy keep his nasty fingers out your eye. It probably looked like a little bit more brown. Oh no, it looks, you can see like the red and the brown in it and stuff. The hair stink. It stinks, so I need to co-wash it, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I got it in a little waterway texture, and this is what it looks like. It's cute. I'm stepping out my comfort zone with this one. I hope I can rock it. I really do. Let me put it on my fat head cap, on my fat wig head, for the fat head bitches like me. Okay, and she's on there. She cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. I'm definitely gonna have to like finesse it, cause I mean for $100, okay. But to me, it could be fuller, that's for sure. But it is only $100. I don't know what the price of the unit is originally before the sale, but it is only $100. But to me, it could definitely be fuller. It comes with baby hairs, and then the cap is low-key tinted already, so it's not gonna need that much finessing. And then it's also pre-plucked, and since the color is this red, I'm not gonna have to bleach these knots or nothing. I'm not gonna bleach these knots. I might do a little bit more plucking, but to be honest, guys, it doesn't look like it. My hairline naturally is pretty thick, so I don't want no little thinned out hairline or nothing. And this is a 13 by 4, so the parting space back is a 4. That's cool. I'm probably just gonna do like some little sideways get down with like some swoopage and the baby hairs over here. I'm gonna definitely braid my hair as small as possible, and then I am going to ball cap it, because I want this unit to lay flat, like, because the cap seems kind of small, so I need my base to be as flat as possible. The hair does, like I said, it looks like it, to me it could have been fuller, but maybe it's because this is just the 18 or something like that. But other than that, it's super soft in texture. I don't think it's gonna shed too bad. I do think that they could have waved it up a little bit better at the roots up here, because I don't know, I was just, you know, personally I like consistency, and this little straight root is, although it's probably natural, I feel like it could have still at the same time been a little bit higher or a little bit more defined. But we gonna see when I wash it. I'm gonna do a co-wash on it, conditioning wash and stuff closer to the date, So yeah, we just waiting for all the packages and stuff to trickle in. Oh, let me also show y'all, since I'm done showing y'all the unit, let me show y'all what else they sent in the package. They also sent like a couple little free gifts in this cute little mesh bag. It came with some eyelashes that, to be honest, I am probably going to wear. I'm definitely probably gonna wear these. They cute. And they also sent a wig grip. So this is just like a little wig grip. It's got lace right here, so you know, just something to, you know, grip the wig real good. And then they also put a little bonnet. This is a little silk bonnet. I said, ooh, okay, little silk bonnet. But you know, my head big, so this might fit. I don't know. We'll see. And a cute little headband. I was like, okay. Oh no, wait. This is the headband that's just for laying down the lace. Okay. So this is a melting band. A melting band for the lace. So that's what's up, y'all. Okay, so yeah, we up in there. We up in there with it. It's gonna be a cute little construction, okay? I'm gonna make it happen. Y'all gonna see the finished product. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Probably gonna be back to y'all when some more stuff start coming in, which won't be until around like the 19th or the 22nd. Today's the 10th, so y'all be seeing this video around my birthday for sure. So yeah, just stay tuned.